Eva. Good girl.
Put some more on there, okay? Whoops.
Please don't take a picture.
I'm doing a video. Good job.
Good job, Ava. Oh, Pumpkin, that's a good job. Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, enough?
You need just a little bit more meatball?
Focus. How about this? There you go. No. No. Here.
You can do it
Sweet.
yourself. Let's not be lazy.
Oh, that's a tricky one. It's way back.
Correct. Very good.
Yay, Ava. Very good.
Very good girl.
Hey, Ava. Can you wave hi to Daddy?
There is.
Where is he?